What's good, people? This is Mom No Regrets, man, and today we coming to you with a pair of Ferrari 14s, man, and we gonna get this suede right. And I'm only doing one shoe. I'm gonna try to make the video short and sweet. Normally, like I say, you're gonna brush off the shoe before you even use the suede eraser, man, but I was just so excited to do this video that I just got straight to it. So I'm gonna hit all the points on the shoe, man, with this suede eraser. We're gonna go all the way around. And like I said, it's gonna get up the dirt and like your heavy staining. And sometimes to take a brass bristle brush, I'm just moving my laces out the way. I'm still going around the shoe. Just getting it prepped before we get ready to put any type of solution on this shoe to try to get your color back. So you're going to lose a little bit of color using your suede eraser, so don't sweat it. But if you get with us and get some of this suede butter, it'll get you right. And you'll see in just a second. Thought I got it on video of me just brushing the shoe out, but man, I started spraying the suede butter. And like you see, none of that eraser residue on the shoe. And I'm just spraying it down. And normally I would wait and give it a couple of seconds to let it kind of dry. But I'm getting straight to the point, just showing you that it's possible. But technique is key. So I don't advise anyone to do this, but it is possible. But check it out. And once I get done brushing, I'm throwing mine in the UV bottle. As you can see, I'm cleaning up my mess right now. But boom, here we go. As you can see, man, that red is popping. It's more vibrant. The other one looks a little bit ashy now. But the suede is stubborn right now. So I'm trying to brush it out, trying to get it to soften up a little bit. But sometimes you got to use your crep brush. And I did not get that on video, but you will see it pop up. Because I'm not trying to keep you out here too long, man. But we got a little bit of reaction, a little bit of swiping going on here. But suede, four-way crep, man, brass bristle brush on one side, rubber on the other. You're gonna brush it just like you brushing the shoe, but using the rubber side, which you're not gonna see, but you will see it. There it is. Pop, gone. Look at that. Check that out there, baby. Now you can get that swiping reaction because the suede is so much softer and it's vibrant. Now, when I pick this other shoe up, you're going to see, man, barely nothing. They think it's dry. So, yeah, pick up a bottle of some suede butter, and I am out of here. Peace.